Hello, today we're going to be talking about MAP Fluency Reports. After you've given the fluency assessment to your kindergarten through third grade students, it's crucial to use the data provided to guide instruction and enhance student learning. This training will guide the teacher on exactly what to do after administering the MAP Fluency Assessment. In the next few slides, we will address how to access and review test results. We'll discuss how to review audio, give a few more details about the next steps for instruction, and talk about the oral reading fluency norms. The purpose of the fluency testing is to give teachers objective results, actionable data, and instructional guidance to support an individualized reading instruction for every student. You can also listen to the audio recordings again and again. You can use them with students and parents, and there will be a separate training for hand scoring student assessments. After logging into NWEA MAP, click on the Fluency tab on the left. Once you're directed to the Fluency page, make sure the instructor role is chosen. From this screen, you may choose the Reports tab at the top right of your screen to review your reporting options. To see an individual student's report, click the name of the student in blue. This is a hyperlink that will take you to a new page. The reports will differ based on whether the student completed the foundational skills assessment or the adaptive reading test. So once you've opened up your teacher dashboard and clicked reports, you should see a screen like this, and it's called the Student Matrix Report. This is where you'll see your students listed and a color coding scoring measure of how each student performed on the major components of reading development. And I've also included the color coding chart here, which you can do by just pressing this down arrow. And to print this handy report, just select the print button. If the student took the foundational skills assessment, click the Reports tab, then click on the student's name in blue, and you will be directed to this screen, where you will find detailed information about the student's ability in the areas of phonics, phonological awareness, and maybe comprehension. Phonics and phonological awareness are not interchangeable terms. Phonological awareness is the awareness of sounds. This involves ears only. Phonics is connecting sounds with letters or a group of letters. This involves the ears and the eyes. Notice the Next Steps link. This is where you will click for individualized resources for the student. If you were to scroll down even further, to the very bottom, you will find very specific instructional aids to assist you in teaching phonological awareness and phonics to this student at their individual level. If the student took the adaptive oral reading assessment but did not advance to the passage reading, there may be some information here to work with. If there is a Next Steps link and some data there, then there may be no reason for further assessing, but in this case there is no data. So this student should take the foundational skills assessment. If the student took the adaptive oral reading assessment and did advance to the passage reading, you will see this screen when you click on the student's name. Here you will find detailed information on each passage they read, the proficiency rate, and the option to listen to the student's audio. There may also be a hyperlink to assist you in building on this student's comprehension and fluency skills. This particular student is reading very fluently, so the recommendations will not be as detailed as a learner who's not reading as fluently. Also take notice of the Lexile level that is provided here. Reviewing student audio is simple. When you click on the student's name, any student who has successfully completed a passage will have a review audio link to the right of the passage. Simply click this link and review the student's audio. NWEA calculates the oral reading fluency scores and levels based on the Hasbrook and Tyndall oral reading fluency norms. The minimum criteria for students to receive a green status or meets criteria is to score at the 50th percentile or higher. The normative data can be found here. Thank you for your time and happy testing.